Hello everyone. Today we are continue from remaining part of recent initiative in entrepreneurship development program. Agro tourism in an increasingly mechanized world, many people have lost touch with how their food is produced or the region where it originated. Agrotourism offers tourists a chance to reconnect with the land and provides a hand-on experience with local foods. Agrotourism activities include picking fruits, tending bees, milking cows, and other educational pursuits. Agrotourism focuses on travel that is empowering to local communities both socially and economically, recognizing the need to diversify their from products and supplement their agriculture incomes. Many farmers consider agrotourism as a one income option for the long term sustainability of their farms. Agrotourism can support agriculture economy when local producers can no longer compete economically. Definition of agrotourism. Agrotourism is the idea of bringing urban residents to rural areas for leisure, travel, and spending. Agrotourism is a commercial enterprise at a working farm, ranch, or agriculture plant conducted for the enjoyment of visitors that generate supplement income for the owner. Agrotourism in Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra is the pioneer state to develop and promote agrotourism in the country. Agrotourism, as it is defined most broadly, involve any agriculturally based operation or activity that brings visitors to a farm. Agrotourism is a form of niche tourism that is considered a growth industry in many parts of the world, including India, Australia, Canada, and United States and the Philippines. Besides growing and selling products, there are many other important aspects to managing a farm business: business planning, finding land, managing employees, record keeping, and adhering to regulations, ensuring crops and preparing for a rainy day and retirement all fall under the heading of farm management. Activities in agrotourism such as outdoor recreation, educational experiences, and entertainment involves hurda party, hospitality services on farm direct sales, etc. Happy customers will definitely return. They will also tell their friends and family about farm. Farmers can add value to your suggest experience by offering them refreshments. They can select products that complement what they produce on farm, such as milk or butter samples, fresh foods, fresh fruits, juice, etc. With time and creativity, firms can expand their recreation enterprise. Thought fun, entertaining activities such as condensed adult and children's classes or games. Children love straw mazes, pumpkin painting, and scarecrow making. Adults may enjoy historic displays or classes on painting. Now discuss about entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur is an employee who has the authority and support of his company employer to implement his own innovative and creative ideas. His idea or product may or may not earn immediate revenue for the company. Still, the employee keeps receiving his salary. So, the main difference between an entrepreneur or an entrepreneur is that the latter takes financial risk while the entrepreneur does not have to invest any capital from his pocket. The company provides the infrastructure. Many large organizations have dedicated research and development departments where employees are encouraged to use their creative abilities. Such an idea or innovative product may fetch great profits for the organization. Kinetic India, Tata Motors, Infosys Technologies, etc. are some of such companies who encourage entrepreneurship. Definition by Gifford: entrepreneurs are the dreamers who take hands on responsibility for creating innovation of any kind within a business. Another definition by Hisrich: entrepreneurship is the entrepreneurship within an existing organization. Thank you.